Hi, I'm Gary with Jones Paint and Glass. Today I'm going to show you a few tips on how to maintain your shower door and keep it clean and looking brand new. You can each remember the time when you first got that shower door and how nice it looked, and after your teenagers used it for a few times, it doesn't look so great. One thing we recommend that you always do is you squeegee off the door or the glass or any glass panels from the inside. And again, just a basic squeegee, make sure all the water is off. That will help keep the glass spot free from water buildup on the glass. If you do have a hard water buildup, we have a product called Amaze, and it is truly amazing. It's a lot like a car wax where you can put it on with any type of rag, a paper towel or a cloth rag, and you just start applying it similar to the way you would a car wax, just going in swirls. You're not trying to necessarily build or get the water spot out, but you're just trying to work the product in that will lift the hard water spot. Once the wax is dried or the Amaze has dried, you want to use a clean rag to wipe it off. And the water spots will be gone. These few simple tips will keep your shower door looking brand new and keep it clean and long lasting.